Now to that breaking news we mentioned off the top of the show. A Boeing jet missing off of Indonesia. ABC's Julia McFarland joins us from London with the very latest. Julia, good morning.
Good morning, Whit. Well, the Transport Ministry in Jakarta says that a Sriwijaya Airlines plane that took off from the capital headed to Pontianak in Borneo has lost contact. That happened around 2:40 p.m. local time, and debris has reportedly been found in the water. Now, the exact number of people on board is unknown at this point, but local reports say that a sharp drop in altitude. It is not the Boeing 737 MAX that just recently returned to service in the U.S. That model jet involved in a previous Indonesian crash that took off from the same airport here in Jakarta just 3 years ago. Now, this incident comes just days after the company was charged by the Department of Justice for allegedly defrauding the United States. U.S. officials fined the company more than $2.5 billion for allegedly lying to regulators about those two fatal crashes in 2018 and 2019. And in a statement earlier this week, Boeing acknowledged those fines from the U.S. government, with their CEO saying this resolution is a serious reminder to all of us of how critical our obligation of transparency to regulators is and the consequences that our company can face if any one of us falls short of those expectations. Eva?
Julia McFarland for us. Thank you. Let's bring in Colonel Steve Ganyard now. And I'm just curious, exactly what will authorities be looking at as this investigation gets underway? Can you kind of walk us through that?
Morning, Eva. The data we have from the crash is quite detailed. It took off, normal takeoff, right-hand turn, out over the Java Sea, got up to about 11,000 feet, and then in less than a minute impacted the Java Sea. So why would that precipitous drop have occurred? Lots of things could happen. Weather does not seem to have been a factor, but we do know that Indonesia has probably the worst air traffic safety record in the world. And so the investigators would be looking at all sorts of things. Could have been a catastrophic failure, could have been a bomb. Everything is open at this point, but we do know that it was a very precipitous drop. And whether that was a loss of control or something else is to be determined. The wreckage has been found, so the black box probably will be found shortly. The good news is that this is not a 737 MAX. It is a much older airplane, and so there may be something related to the crash due to its age.
Hopefully there's some answers in that black box. Thank you so much, Colonel Ganyard. Always appreciate your time.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.